APLD stock analysis and APLD stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space who's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm telling you this because I've also, like, I have really done it. It's not like I'm just yapping. And ultimately, I was so close to getting that first shift today. Like, it was so close to happening. I mean, can we count this as a proper break? Not really, because it just shifted with a wick. So I'm still not ready to pull the trigger on this, because think of it this way: if this thing really wants to shift, it would already be going like 60 miles per hour, and I just jump straight into the car, you know, and take it up or into the rocket. But other than that, I'm not forcing no buys here. Like, yes, beforehand I made a video when this thing was at $5. Here's the proof. Sitting at 566 a month ago. And all I can tell you since then, it's been actually quite good. Now, I also got like one more long here, but unless I see this proper shift, I'm not really buying. And I do have a lot of previous APLD receipts. So if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.